Miss Tunki. Do like, share, subscribe my channel.
Hello, my dear kids. Today we will learn about opposites. Opposites are very simple, like ABC. So, my dear kids, would you like to read about opposites today? Let's get started. Fast. Look at this horse. It runs so fast. And look at this turtle. It runs very slowly. Slow. Slow. So the opposite of fast is slow. Fast and slow. Day. Day. Night. Night. Day and night. The opposite of day is night. Look at this elephant. It's so big. And look at this mouse. It's so small. The opposite of big is small. Big and small. Today is a very hot day. It is very cold today. So, the opposite of hot is cold. So, my dear kids, this glass is full of water and the other glass is empty. So, the opposite of full is empty. So, my kids, these children are very happy. Happy. And these children are very sad. So, the opposite of happy is sad. This car is very old. And this car is new. So, my brilliant kids, the opposite of old is new. Old and new. Excited. These kids are so excited. And this child is very bored. So, my kids, the opposite of excited is bored. This stone is very hard. And and this bread is very soft. So, my kids, the opposite of hard is soft. Hard and soft. My kids, the opposite of yes is no. That's great. Yes and no. This child is very strong. And the second child is very weak. So, my dear kids, opposite of strong is weak. When the traffic light turned green, the car can go. And when the traffic light turned red, the car stop. So, opposite of go is stop. Turn off the TV. Turn on the TV. So, the opposite of off is on. Hungry. This child is hungry. And this child's stomach is full. So, my kids, the opposite of hungry is full. Open, close. Open and close. The opposite of open is close. Look at this child. He is so dirty. And look at this other child. He is very clean. So the opposite of dirty is clean. I'm sure, my dear kids, you will like today's video very much and you must have enjoyed today's video a lot. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.